Today, I am going to show you how to add social media icons in WordPress. This will allow your visitors to easily find and follow your social media accounts. For this tutorial, we will be using the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. I will leave a link for Divi in the description so you can check it out if you do not already have it installed. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Open the page or the footer area where you want to add your social media icons. Click Edit with Divi. The visual builder lets you edit your page directly. Next, click the gray plus button to add a new module. In the list of modules, search for Social Media Follow. Select it and you will see a new block appear with a placeholder icon. Now you can add the social networks you want to display. In the settings, click Add New Item. Choose the network from the drop-down menu such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Then enter the full link to your profile page on that network. When visitors click the icon, they will be taken directly to your account. You can repeat this process to add as many social platforms as you need. Each one will appear as a small icon, and Divi automatically uses the official logo for that network. Once your icons are added, you can style them to match your website. In the Design tab, you can adjust the size, spacing, and alignment. You can also change the colors. If you want them to match your brand colors instead of the default ones, simply apply your global colors from Divi. A common place to add social media icons is in the footer, so they show up on every page. You can do this by adding the Social Media Follow module in your footer template inside the Divi theme builder. That way, the icons will always appear in the same place across your site. When you are finished, click Save and then exit Visual Builder. Your social media icons are now live on your WordPress site, and your visitors can connect with you on the platforms you use most.